How to hide your following list on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is go to your profile page and tap on these three lines here. And tap on settings and privacy. And you want to go to privacy. And right here, you can just make your account private and no one can see your following on followers at all. But if you want to keep it public, then you want to scroll down until you find following list. And you want to tap on it and change it to only you. So right now, when people visit your profile and click on your following list, they will only see their mutuals one, not everything you follow. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.